No. We had to push it. We got fucked. It's those early game runes, guys. Guys, I'm hitting my last hits. Just close your eyes for a second. Guys, I'm hitting the last hits. Trust me. Don't worry, guys. Trust. It's being hit. We don't need to fact check anything. It's being hit.
The night is my ally.
Who are you closest with in For Fun Squad? I don't know Heisman very well. We had like a brief discussion on Discord recently. Ioki, I'm pretty sure dislikes me because I took sides with another streamer and something else. But when we recorded together, he didn't show anything. Professor, Collie, or Body? Probably Prof. Prof is the closest one. I think it's too obvious. League of Legends, the content creator space, is one of the weirdest things I've maneuvered in a long time. There's so much politics and little cliques that you need to find you slowly find yourself making towards in it, and then before you realize it, you're within the game already, and then you're part of the problem of the League of Legends space. But to be honest, that's just natural with anything in life. Nice. Has a viewer ever charged me back? I've only had experiences with one chargeback in my life. It was in like 2016 when some guy bought coaching from me for $15 and then charged it back, and then blamed it on his credit card getting hacked or something. Which was kind of bullshit because he was the one that got the coaching. It was him, but it was such a small amount. I was like, whatever. But aside from that, I have not experienced any chargebacks, and I hope I never will. Don't be the first, please. It just doesn't make sense to do.
An ally has been slain.
It's like massive headaches because you can like, it's so stupid. Like, because someone can donate $1 and then charge you back. You lose the dollar, but you lose $20 on top of that. That's just the way chargebacks work. It's so dumb. That's why a lot of streamers have been putting in their donation section, where it's like, oh, donations are non-refundable or whatever, because it gives you a significantly higher chance of winning the situation on PayPal if you have that there. As a rule of thumb, if anyone ever donates you a big amount, like through straight donation, you don't pull out the money and play slow. Worst case scenario, you get charged back and then you lose 20 bucks. You wait like 5 months for that big donation and you just leave it. Damn, I should treat that, huh? I bet. Subs are fine. You can spend the money immediately. You're good. I should have helped my Lulu instead of killing Gregus. I should help. My bad, bro. I helped Lulu so that I move away from the Gregus and help Lulu at the same time while using my HP as collateral with Lulu. So that we both share the damage against Zeri. And then we both die to Gregus after. Or we outplay it.
We are addicted to the neon.
I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Ow, baby!
Project Wimbat.
That was a little spicy, yeah? That was a little spicy. Don't get me wrong. That's called spice right there, ladies and gentlemen. Take notes.
Rampage.
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. The Lily just stood in the open, sad business.
My logic is undeniable.
Nice.
Start sequence initiated.
Killing spree.
We have Kraken Slayer. It's time to do damage. Or did Saskio build the incorrect item because he's against the Syndra and he should have went Immortal Shield Bow to live? Find out next time when I walk into Syndra.
The knife is my armor.
Back to normal ping. What was the dragon? It was Infernal, then Mountain. Nah. It's Mountain, then Hex Tech is the one that we're always sus of. When we see a Hex Tech with 57 ping, we know some shit's going down. Into Mountain, and then I don't know what the third dragon is. Gonna get more data. What? That hit me? Gragas is in that bush, 100%.
I was rebuilt to override everything they are.
Gragas is in this bush right here. Oh, I'm griefing. Okay. I'm griefing. My bad, my bad, my bad. How did I die to that?
Double kill. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been
I griefed that. Omega lol. You see Gragas walk in 4K and how do you die? Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, bruh.
An enemy has been slain.
What?
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Do I dare say it? The tower is... singling me out.
An ally has been slain.
Oh my god, her ult was like...
Dominating.
Oh, that's so nice! Wow, Faker. Can we have Saskio one day do voiceovers for Seraphine? Yo!
Nice. Hogger.
Super Amy! How you doing today? Thank you very much for the tier 1 for 23 months? That's like 2 years minus 1 month. Quick maths. That's a long time. I just woke up from a nap. I'm doing great. How about you? I am doing fantastic. Thank you very much for asking. We are vibing. I don't want balls in my face. Get away from me. Oh my god, Liam. Oh my god, Liam. So bad. So bad. Why are you mid? Oh. Fuck, I got outplayed so badly. I got outplayed. Fuck. She clicked R on me. Why is this all I hear top lane? Dun, 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 dun. And then my Scion's always dead. Scion, I hope you realize if you go Bramble Vest, his healing will be reduced every time he hits you. I'm not sure if my Scion knows that, but that does exist in the game. For sure. I'm gonna let Lux stay mid and I'm just gonna go bot lane.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Machines never rest.
Guys, if I go in on Sidra here, I have to dodge her QE. Watch. What the hell? She didn't shoot her QE right away. I shouldn't have all. If she had all, I'm dead.
You will be disassembled. Hard relaunch engaged.
I didn't dodge like a single thing. Alright, here's the build, guys. Listen. Here's the build. Kraken, PD, Infinity Edge.
Kinetic acceleration.
QSS, bloodthirster. But we're gonna build a random BT along with a random QSS, and then we go from there. Good build, solid build, eh?
They cannot hide from me.
Oh! Oh! We sent 4 people for him. We're not real. That's gotta hurt. This guy's a force of nature. Ain't no way, bro. Doosh. Did he just dive into 3 people for fun? Why are they pinging my flash? You guys know I'm too old to flash that shit, man. There was no way I was getting that. That thing was moving at like Mach speed.
Complete.
That's a lot of damage. Ooh, a ball. What did this do? Guys, push out side lanes! It's been like 2 minion waves already! How slow are we, man? NA solo queue so bad. Bronze mob! Oh shit. We don't have vials. Oh, that locks all together. Why do I just keep dying? Is it because I'm not flashing? Am I too slow? Am I getting too old, guys? Is it just old? Oh.
You require recalibration.
Oh. throat. Oh, look at that damage.
Killing spree. Slain.
Dude, how he threw a Gragas ult over the wall. That thing just came in like a wrecking ball. So try Shirami. Calm down, Miley Cyrus. Miley Cyrus wrecking ball. Look at all that damage that you don't do. Toing. 1 damage.
Be generous with your life.
I can't move. Guys, how do you change your voice to a girl voice? What software are you using?
Ew, what are you? Cringe?
Ew, what are you? Cringe? Why would you want to change your voice to a girl's?
Reacquiring target.
No bitches.
No bitches. Guys, I've been holding my flash for legit next game. Legit next game. I'm gonna ping it for my teammates.
Uncompromising action delivers results.
Amped up. No, 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 no.
All malicious code needs to be
Oh! That's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage. I bet if you do a whole voice girl stream, you'll get your views 1,000 times. I don't know about that one, brother. Angry.
Angry. Angry.
Angry. Why would you suggest such a thing? I'll be completely honest with you, it's not a voice changer. I have voice commands that I had those people record for me already, so it's just playing a audio file, that's it.
You're stinky.
But why would you even suggest such a thing? You're stinky. That hurt.
Fine. I guess you are
I'll protect you. Dude, the range of that thing is so fucking Guys, I'm gonna use flash. I'm gonna use flash. I'm gonna use flash. Watch, 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 watch. I'm gonna use flash. I will use it. I'll use it in the next fight. Watch.
Your team has destroyed an inhibitor. Your team has destroyed a turret.
I'm gonna use flash. I'm gonna use flash. Triple kill. Seraphine. Apollyon is why Saskio.